Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to check your phone running time on an Android device. So for this video I'm using a Huawei device. So before we actually get into the video, don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button down below. And with that, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll all the way down until you guys reach about phone. Once you guys are here, you guys are going to scroll all the way down again, and you guys are going to want to click on status. Once you guys click status, you guys are going to go to the last option where you guys can see your running time, which at the moment for my phone is 15 hours 44 minutes and about to be 45 minutes. Yeah, 15 hours and 45 minutes. So that is your running time. And yeah, you guys, if you guys want to, so that's it for this video. If you guys have any other tutorials you guys want me to do, comment down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.